Folks, here is a winch cable, gearbox. You need an electric motor and chains to drive this in. Gears and Forging, I believe, is the company name. Look at that. There's a tag right there. Okay. It appears to be working. I can turn this by hand, and it real slowly turns that cable drive, which is what it ought to do. Huge gear reduction. Just needs a motor of some sort to drive it. It's got the cable with it. Up to you whether you use that or not. That bearing, if it was me, I'd put a new one on. It's a real easy to find bearing, but we're going to have this absolute on auction time. If you have any questions, give us a call.